Hey, welcome back to How to Barbecue Right. I'm Malcolm Reed. Hey, football season's right around the corner. We got college kicking off this weekend. Means it's time for some football food. I got one you want to try today. I call them Dirty Bird Bites. Take chunks of chicken breast, season them up nice and spicy, wrap them in bacon, get them on the grill, and then serve them with a little dirty dipping sauce. Let's get to cooking, y'all. So I'm starting out with some chunks of chicken breast. What I did was buy the boneless, skinless chicken breast from the grocery store, cut them up into nice bite-sized chunks. You can see these are thick. It's a good piece of chicken. They're gonna cook down a little bit, just moving them over to a half sheet pan so we can get them seasoned up. Get them kind of spread out in this pan a little bit so I can work on them. Now these are Dirty Bird wings, so for a little binder, I'm using a hot sauce. You could use your favorite brand. I've got my Killer Hogs Garlic Hot Sauce. Just gonna dash a little bit on top, as much or as little as you want, depending on how dirty you want them to be. Then we're gonna move them around, make sure they get coated up. I want that vinegar to work on them. Get them tender a little bit. Keep some of that garlic, some of that cayenne flavor in them. Now we're ready for the seasoning. I'm using my hot barbecue rub. Now you can use any kind of seasonings you want on this. If you got a favorite hot rub, go ahead and put the spice to them. A little bit on one side, flip them around, do the same thing. So now let me show you what we're gonna do to these Dirty Bird Bites. I want to take a big chunk of this seasoned chicken breast, and I took a jar of my Hot Dill Pickles and drained all the juice off. That chicken and pickle just goes together. And then we're going to take a thin piece of bacon and just wrap it up all the way around it. We're just going to set it to the side for a second because we are going to skewer these. So we'll just knock these out real quick. Get you a piece of bacon, one of the chunks of chicken right on top, nice little Hot Dill Pickle, then wrap it right up. Makes a nice little bite. So now I'm just going to take some little short skewers and run them right through the bacon on both sides. And for a football food, I want it to be 2 bites. So I'll do 2 of these on one. So you just take your skewer, try to go through the pickle, the chicken, and the bacon on the back side, and just lay it over to the side. So I'm gonna cook these Dirty Bird Bites on my Weber kettle grill. Starting out with a chimney of Royal Oak charcoal, got a couple tumbleweeds, get those coals good and hot. Then I'm gonna set it for a 2-zone fire. Pour all those hot coals over to one side, gives me a safe space over on the opposite side to cook these Dirty Bird Bites nice and slow. When the grill's hot, you wanna put your cooking grate in place, hit it with a little cooking spray so they don't stick, and then let that grill come up to temperature. All right, our grill's up to temperature. And I'm gonna put these Dirty Bird Bites on the cool side of this grill. We're just gonna start kind of stacking them in here. No really right or wrong way. You just don't want direct heat. I know the bacon's gonna start rendering. It's gonna start dripping. I don't want it dripping over those hot coals, causing any flare-ups. Now these need to cook till the chicken's an internal temperature of 165. The bacon will be done at that point. It ought to be browned up, but you wanna make sure you cook that chicken to the proper temperature. You don't want anybody getting sick. So we're gonna leave them on here, come back and check them in about 20-30 minutes. We're gonna shut the lid, let my old Weber do his job. All right, our Dirty Bird Bites have been rolling for about 35 minutes. I peeked at them, they weren't quite there, but now check them out. The bacon's nice and brown. And what I'm doing is I'm taking my thermopin. I want to check some of these back ones. If they're done, I know the front ones are. But you just want to see at least 165. We're hitting 175. Oh yeah. 170. We are right where we want to be. Every single one of these are right where I want them. So I just got a glove on, put them on a little platter here. They're gonna have to cool off because I know these things are hot. But don't that look like some football food? It's juicy, it's hot, the bacon's cooked perfect, chicken's gonna be nice and tender, and you know it's gonna pack some heat. So I let these Dirty Bird Bites just hang out here on the cutting board for a few minutes so they can cool off. They were screaming hot when I pulled them off the Weber. I threw together a little dirty dipping sauce, sriracha, honey, a little brown sugar, some soy sauce, and a splash of pineapple just to balance it out. It's gonna be a nice fiery sweet kick to dip these bites in. So let's see how we did. I can't wait to try them. Got that bacon nice and brown, a little crispy on the outside. I know the pickle's gonna be good. I'm gonna go ahead and dunk it in that dirty dip. See how spicy we got these bites. I gotta finish this one off. It's that good. Yo, I gotta go back and try me another one of these. I mean, it's got it all. It's got that bacon around the outside. It gets a little crispy. The chicken's tender, it's juicy. You got the pickle to add a little bit of crispness. You gotta have some vegetable, right? And the sweetness of this dirty dip balances out, but it's still got a little fiery kick. Let's dunk another one. See if this was just as good as that first one. Might need to make about 2 or 3 dozen of these for football. Oh yeah, perfect bite. Every time. Hey, thanks for hanging out with us here at How to Barbecue Right. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to the channel. You know you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even TikTok. Michelle and I do a weekly podcast where we'll be talking about these Dirty Bird Bites, all the other fun stuff we're cooking up and doing here at How to Barbecue Right. We'll see y'all next time. Tender, juicy, and spicy. That's what I'm talking about.